Hello everyone, how to tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to turn off your comment after uploading the videos. So you have to download the YouTube Studio. So then you have to log in your account, YouTube account, and then you can see it's my account. So now I'm going to turn off my comment for this video. And what you need to do, tap here the pencil icon. You can see this one. So it's editing mode now. So you can see simply you can see the last one, mode option. Simply tap here and you can see here comment. So only for this video. So now you can comment moderations, pause or off. So if you tap on the off, and after that you can see here this video a comment will be disabled. No one can comment for this video. So today is normal, and see the next video.